In week 3, you will submit your culture assignment. This assignment consists of a PowerPoint and your presentation in VoiceThread. Instructions for VoiceThread submissions are located in the VoiceThread Information tab in Blackboard. The rubric for this assignment is located under the Rubrics tab on Blackboard 2. In week 1, students will be divided into groups. This list will be posted under the Looking Ahead to Week 3 module in weeks 1 and 2, and also in the Activities section of week 3. Please find your name and open the wiki associated with your group. You will then review the topics and write your name beside the one you choose. Please take a screenshot of this with the date and time visible. You are not allowed to erase any other student's name, and only one student can sign up for each topic within your assigned group to avoid duplication. Please prepare a PowerPoint presentation of 5 to 10 slides that provides content you would use to teach your selected topics to the audience indicated. Remember that you are teaching a patient population and not just providing information to your peers or other healthcare professionals. Please review the rubric to make sure you understand all of the assignment requirements. All references should be included on a reference slide at the end of the presentation. References should be in APA format according to the APA manual guidelines. After you finish preparing the PowerPoint, please upload it into your group on VoiceThread by following the link provided. You must then teach this content by recording an audio presentation that follows the PowerPoint slides. You must do more than just read the slides in this section. When you finish and upload the video, please add the link to the Blackboard submission site for this assignment located in week 3. Please contact your instructor with any questions on this assignment, and I strongly urge you to begin working on this as soon as possible.